Okay, this is based on freeze tag. So can we have 2 people, please? Gigi and Iso. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you for the love. Okay, so these 2 people will begin a scene. Gigi and Iso will begin a scene, and then anyone at the back at any time can call out freeze. They will come in, tag out 1 person, assume that person's position, and then start an entirely new scene. So that's freeze tag. We're adding the plus because we're going to add a whole bunch of stuff to it that is not part of freeze tag. So to the folks over here, something physical that these 2 people can do. Physical.
Galingan niyo, bisita ko kayo.
Break dance. Right. We'll begin with some break dancing.
I forgot my name. I don't know your name either.
Freeze! It's been 12 years, and I think it's time.
Freeze! Continue as sci-fi.
Yes, it's you are from the moon.
Yes.
But you are my stars. And this
I'm in.
love, this love can transcend the
Freeze.
universe. Oh, okay.
I now pronounce you Queen of Genovia.
Sir, priest, as my first.
Yes.
Switch.
As my first decree as queen, I am banning people. Freeze.
Lagyan mo naman ang energy!
I love taking dances.
Pilipino ka ba talaga?
Yes! Let's go to the cling.
Freeze.
Freeze! Mag-iinit dito!
You wanna go?
Freeze! Continue with Catherine Bernardo and Manny Pacquiao.
Stop hitting me!
Sorry, Catherine Bernardo! Ara ko mo palating!
Freeze.
You brought me to this hole again!
Yes, and I will do it twice more. Twice as more. You have so many holes to left to fill. Ayan, you're not practicing your dance routine. Get up off the floor. Sylvia. Bahala ka sa buhay. I don't know what to do with you.
Ballroom dancing hurts.
Well, beauty is pain, honey. And art does not take anything less than your heart. Freeze. Oh. Yan, kakarak climbing mo yan eh.
Loan mo naman ako, hindi ko makakaya. Freeze! Continue with Lazada as a sponsor.
Sabi, ano mo kasi, peke yung binili mong grappling hook. Sorry, sa Shopee ko binili. Dapat ba sa Lazada?
Father, please look into the sky. Jesus is sending you. Jesus is sending you a message. I should not just pass the quiz. I should pass the test.
Should pass the quiz, and more, you should pass with God.
Together, we will build a new SM.
Freeze! Ano yan?
That's a forest.
Freeze.